Soltec Development presents how to choose the perfect water-soluble packaging for your products. At Soltec Development, we design innovative and sustainable water-soluble packaging solutions. Today, water-soluble packaging is booming across many sectors: agrochemicals, detergents, disinfection, and more. Practical, safe, and eco-friendly, it meets both consumer expectations and industrial performance requirements. By understanding the nature, composition, and application of your products, Soltec Development helps you define the most efficient solution. Each technical aspect must be carefully evaluated: solubility, mechanical strength, chemical compatibility, and shelf life. Our experts support you to ensure reliability and optimal performance for your packaging. Water-soluble packaging is an innovative alternative to conventional plastic. Biodegradable and environmentally friendly, it contributes to a more sustainable industrial future. Contact Soltec Development today for personalized support.